Good morning, dear students. Today in geography, we are going to continue the same chapter, that is agriculture. Children, in our yesterday's lecture, we have studied about the different types of farming practices and the different cropping pattern in our country. Children, today we are going to study about the major crops grown in our country. Children, a variety of food and non food crops are grown in different parts of the country depending upon the variation in soil, climate, and cultivation practices. Major crops grown in our country are rice, wheat, pulses, tea, coffee, maize, sugarcane, oilseeds, cotton, jute, etc. And we will study the geographical condition of these crops. Now, children, what is the meaning of crop? Children, when plants of a same kind are grown and cultivated at one place on a large scale, it is known as crop. For example, crop of wheat grown in a field. Now, children, the first crop, that is rice. Children, we will see the favorable geographical condition required for the production of rice, and then we will see the producing states also. Children, it is a kharif crop. You have to remember this. Rice is a kharif crop which requires high temperature and high humidity. This means the temperature should be above 25 degrees Celsius and the annual rainfall should be above 100 centimeters. That means rice needs abundant rainfall. It can be grown in the areas with the less rainfall too, but with assured irrigation. Children, it is a staple food crop of majority of people in India. Our country is the second largest producer of rice in the world after China. Children, once again I am repeating this crop. It is a kharif crop, requires high temperature and high humidity. Temperature should be about 25 degrees Celsius and annual rainfall above 100 centimeters. Children, rice is grown in the plains of north and northeastern India, coastal areas and the deltic regions. Development of dense network of canal, irrigation and tube well have made it possible to grow rice in areas of less rainfall such as Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh and the parts of Rajasthan. Now children, the second crop, that is wheat. Now children, we will see what type of climate is required for the cultivation of wheat. Children, it requires cool and moist weather during growth and warm and dry climate during ripening. Children, it needs 50 to 75 centimeters of annual rainfall. A few light winter showers or assured irrigation ensures a bumper harvest. Children, it is the main food crop in north and northwestern part of the country. This is a rabi crop. Children, you have to learn. Wheat is a rabi crop. There are two important wheat growing zones in the country: the Ganga Satluj plain in the northwest and black soil region of the Deccan. The major wheat producing states are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan and parts of Madhya Pradesh. Children, once again I am repeating the geographical condition of wheat. Children, this is a rabi crop, requires a cool growing season and a bright sunshine at the time of ripening. It requires 50 to 75 centimeters of annual rainfall evenly distributed over the growing season. Now, millets. Jowar, bajra, and ragi are the important millets grown in India. Though these are known as coarse grain, they have very high nutritional value. For example, ragi is very rich in iron, calcium, other micronutrients, and roughage. Now, children, let's start with jowar. Jowar is the third most important food crop with respect of area and production. It is a rain-fed crop mostly grown in the moist area which hardly needs irrigation. Maharashtra is the largest producer of jowar, followed by Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh. Children, I am once again repeating jowar. Maharashtra is the largest producer of jowar. It is a rain-fed crop mostly grown in the moist area. Now, the next one is bajra. Bajra grows well on sandy soil and shallow black soil. Rajasthan is the largest producer of bajra, followed by Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Haryana. Children, you have to learn this. Rajasthan is the largest producer of bajra. Then the next one, that is ragi. Ragi is a crop of dry region and grows well on red, black, sandy and loamy soil. Karnataka is the largest producer of ragi, followed by Tamil Nadu. Now children, Karnataka is the largest producer of ragi. Rajasthan is the largest producer of bajra, and Maharashtra is the largest producer of jowar. This you have to learn, beta. Apart from these states, we are talking about ragi. Apart from these states, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Jharkhand, Arunachal Pradesh are also important growing states of ragi. Next major crop is maize. Children, this is a kharif crop and it requires a temperature between 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius, and it grows well in old alluvium soil. Children, with the use of modern inputs such as HYV seeds, fertilizers, and irrigation have contributed to the increasing production of maize. Major maize producing states are Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh. Children, once again I am repeating this crop. It is a crop which is used both as food and fodder. It is a kharif crop. Temperature required is 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius and grows well in old alluvium soil. In some states like Bihar, maize is grown in Rabi season also. Children, with the use of modern inputs such as HYV seeds, fertilizers, and irrigation has contributed to the increasing production of maize. Now, pulses. Children, India is the largest producer as well as the consumer of pulses in the world. These are the major source of protein in the vegetarian diet. Now children, we will see the geographical condition required for the cultivation of pulses. Children, it need less moisture and survive even in a dry conditions. Temperature is required from 25 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. Pulses grow well in the areas of 50 to 75 centimeter of rainfall. These can be grown on all types of soil, but dry, light soil is best suited. Pulses are leguminous crop which help in restoring soil fertility by fixing nitrogen from the air. Thus, pulses are mostly grown in rotation with the crops. The major pulses producing states are Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Karnataka. Children, major pulses that are grown in India are tuar, urad, moong, masoor, peas, and gram. Now, children, I think these crops are clear. You have to learn the geographical conditions of these crops. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.